Kessler Syndrome, named after NASA scientist Donald J. Kessler, refers to a scenario where the density of objects in low Earth orbit is high enough that collisions between objects could cause a cascade effect. This means that one collision could lead to more collisions, creating a chain reaction that could render certain orbits unusable. Imagine a busy highway during rush hour. If one car crashes, it can cause a series of accidents, blocking the road for everyone else. In space, this is a real threat. With thousands of satellites already in orbit and more being launched every year, the risk of collision is increasing. Active satellites could be destroyed, leading to loss of communication, navigation systems, and even weather forecasting capabilities. It could also jeopardize the safety of astronauts aboard the International Space Station. Fortunately, scientists and space agencies are aware of this issue and are taking steps to mitigate the risk. Initiatives include tracking space debris, developing technologies to remove debris, and creating guidelines for satellite operators to minimize collisions. As individuals, we can contribute by supporting policies that promote sustainable space practices and staying informed about space exploration. Every action counts.